collaboration site started 3 years ago, and they put forward a plan to enable genomics research capacity in the Eastern Cape and in coastal HDIs, of which the University of Zululand is included. The senior students and lecturers who have been able to take part in the first 2 phases of the training through SIAB are now capacitated to do DNA extractions here in their own labs, in their own institutions back home.
The lab is, I think, going to make a material difference to the potential that we have here for research. For the first time now, we can step into the genomics field, which I think is really the way to go. If you look everywhere in terms of research, we do a lot of taxonomy work, we do a lot of ecological surveys, and genomics is really going to open up a lot of doors for us.
The EAGR lab is going to be used by other 3 sister departments that includes biochemistry and microbiology, botany, as well as agriculture. And these departments, they do a lot of DNA sequencing, they do some genomic stuff and analysis, and mainly as their postgrad level to try and increase throughput as that postgraduate level.
There's so much that we need to discover as scientists, so with this new development, then we a step forward in that. So we are learning, we can keep up with the times, and hopefully we can come up with good research output.
I think it is important for this lab since we are a historical disadvantaged university, so we're so happy to have such different lab. When considering that DNA is one of the emerging fields, we have access to this lab and we'll be able to do different research and use different equipment, maybe see which one works better and which one gives better results.
A lab such as this enables me to pursue the objectives of my study, so I'm able to pursue a PhD. There's easy access, it's here at the university, we don't need to plan ahead and travel to Grahamstown every time we need to use it. So it will also help me in terms of future studies and future research projects, because also we're located at the north of KZN and very few or little research has been done that incorporates molecular biology, DNA. So we have a great opportunity to tap into that type of work and do research that has never been done before in an area that is really a gold mine.
So what I'm basically hoping is that we reach more people that's actually eager to, join the genomics and genetics research field, reaching more people and just providing, other scientists or students with more options to do more comprehensive research or multidisciplinary research where previously they were not able to. Increasing the chances of collaboration, bringing people over to the genetics research in South Africa.